Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right into today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Now, if we are looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently trading at $2.24 trillion. We are up 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is continuing to climb and we are currently sitting at 41.3%. Looking at the overall markets as we start off Monday, you guys can see we are still, in red for a majority of the cryptocurrencies over the last 24 hours, but nothing to worry about, guys. We were coming out of the weekend, but we are seeing a Bitcoin having a rebound. So we will get into that later on in this video. But overall, everything is looking very, very bullish so far for the entire cryptocurrency space. But today, guys, I want to look further into none other than Cardano. All right, my ADA family, if we are looking at the Cardano price, you guys can see Cardano is currently trading at $2.21. We are down 3.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 4.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Even though we are seeing a small retracement occur in Cardano price, one thing that a lot of people are ignoring is that Cardano is still holding very strongly around this third spot on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko. So that itself should give you guys an understanding as to what exactly is going on with ADA. ADA's market cap right now is still above that $70 billion mark. We're sitting at $71.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $1.7 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 2,272%. Obviously, in the last 30 days, we have seen a small retracement occur, but it's very, very normal in my personal opinion. But now let's deep dive into the charts and see what's exactly going on with ADA's price and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So as you guys can see, let me bring out this highlighter. As you guys can see, we have been trading within this range over the past couple of days now, which is the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. And I have been reading comments left and right. People are saying, oh my god, ADA is done, ADA is this, ADA is that, ADA is like a boring coin. See, this is something I will never understand. I will never understand from people because when a coin has a beautiful rally like this towards the upside and it has a retracement, people think that it's over. Markets will never go up straight in one line, guys. There are people that are coming, that are going to come and take profits that bought back way early on when ADA was at 2 cents. They are going to take profits sooner rather than later. So what's going to happen with the price then? It is going to have a correction. But one thing a lot of people are ignoring is that despite this, despite this entire thing, people taking profits, the smart contracts launching, the ADA price is still holding very, very strongly within this range. And a lot of people seem to ignore that. And, I will take this. I would not mind if ADA trades sideways within this price range over the next week either. Take your time because that only makes the support even stronger. And then, eventually the next leg up is going to start. And I believe that is going to be soon, considering the fact that, there's so much, hype coming into the space once again, along with, a lot of eyes are on Cardano. So you guys cannot ignore that fact. And I still believe Cardano is going to see some crazy, crazy price action this bull cycle alone. But obviously, we need to have patience. If we are bringing out the measuring tool, guys, you guys can see from its all-time high, which we saw on September the 2nd. Since then, we have seen ADA price, have a correction of about 29%, guys. Very, very normal, guys. Very normal. We have to keep things realistic here. Let's just look at it from this point of view. So let's say you bought on August 10th. August 10th, guys. And let's bring out the measuring tool from August 10th to the all-time high. That would have been a gain of 105.64%. And even after the correction, guys, you still are up 46.28%. So people seem to forget this aspect. People just like to focus on this side of the spectrum, like right here, like this. But everyone, I'm not saying, I'm sorry, not everyone, but majority of the people, forget to zoom out and look at the bigger picture and see how far ADA has really come. And I still believe this is just the absolute beginning for the Cardano price. If we are looking at the Bitcoin price right now, guys, Bitcoin is ready to rumble. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is trading at $49,223 level. Very, very bullish sign. Let's go on the daily chart and see what's going on so we can get a better picture. As you guys can see, beautiful move towards the upside to start off this Monday. We're sitting at $49,230. And I still believe that, we are going to see some newer all-time highs for BTC very, very soon. And then we will see altcoins have, their alt season occur. Right now, I still am believing that we are going to see BTC dominance continue to increase, but that does not mean that altcoins are not going to go up with the Bitcoin price momentum towards the upside. But to have the altcoin rally, we need Bitcoin profits to go back into the altcoins, and that's where we really get to see that type of parabolic move that everyone is anticipating. But so far, Bitcoin is looking very, very strongly. As long as we do not break below this 46K mark, guys, we are in the bullish territory. But yeah, going back to ADA, guys, what I personally would like for Cardano to do is get back above this level of resistance, which is at that $2.43 mark. But I would not mind even if it trades sideways for a while. Very, very normal. It deserves to cool off. A lot of people just want the price to go up straight forever, but that is unrealistic. That is not sustainable. We are going to have price corrections here and there, and that you guys just need to grasp that and make that into a reality. But once we break above this level, guys, this is a very, very crucial level for the ADA's price. As you guys can see, we tried to break above it on September 26th, but we're unable to do that. But if this time around we do get the buying pressure on our side, I do not see why ADA cannot break past this level. And if this time around we actually break above here, guys, then we are headed towards newer all-time highs, because the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level is literally the all-time high territories, and the next price target for myself would be around this $3.50 to $3.60 mark. I still believe ADA can go even further this bull cycle alone, but we do need to keep in mind the Bitcoin price and see the overall market sentiment. But like I have mentioned in my other videos, Q4 does tend to be the most bullish time of the year for the cryptocurrency space, especially in a bull cycle if we are talking historically. And if you are a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know I have been mentioning this Q4 for quite some time now, and it's finally here. And so far, wow, guys, what a great month it has been. Let's not ignore Cardano is still a beast, and this is a project that is definitely here to stay. And long term, guys, in the next coming months, I personally will be looking back at these prices and wishing I scooped some up. Cardano literally reminds me of Ethereum's beginnings. And, I still believe that it is going to take over Ethereum eventually. Obviously, Cardano is not going to hit $3,000 because the circulation supply, the amount of coins out there in circulation for Cardano is way larger than Ethereum's. But, adoption wise and size wise, I do see Cardano taking over because it is way more superior in tech wise. If we are comparing Cardano and Ethereum, it takes Ethereum, literally it leaves Ethereum back in the dust. Don't get me wrong, Ethereum is a great project. I still love Ethereum a lot, but it is seen as more of a store of value rather than people using it as developing apps and stuff on there. And that's what we're seeing. All these blockchains come out like Polkadot, Solana, Cardano, Harmony One. These are the ones that are thriving, and these are the ones that are getting a lot of hype. And that is again because Ethereum has its own issues, and other people are starting to look further away from Ethereum, and that's why Cardano is by far the biggest Ethereum competitor that we have ever seen, and it's only going to get bigger as time goes by. The ecosystem is growing at a tremendous rate, and in the next 2 years, guys, I cannot even imagine where Cardano could be. Total stake value is still 70.4%, guys, and this number is only going to get bigger and bigger. So you guys get the perspective as to what really is going on. So let's not ignore all these factors that I have mentioned. Obviously, we need to have patience. Nothing is going to go up straight forever. But when time really does come, which I know is going to be very, very soon, things will get really exciting. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. What are you guys doing right now? Are you guys buying up some Cardano? Are you guys staking? Let me know your thoughts down below, and where you could see Cardano go at the end of this year. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. This helps my channel so much. If I can ask you guys for one favor, that would be to just like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I'm asking, and that would mean the world to me, and I will continue delivering these videos for you guys. Thanks again once for all the continued support that you guys show me, each and every one of you guys. I love each and every one of you guys, and you guys know I will keep everything realistic on this channel and bring you guys the latest and the greatest news. And that's exactly what my motto is, and I will continue to follow that. Thanks once again, guys. I love you guys. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first. Everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.